In this video, we're going to talk about how to set margins. So we're on our 07 Messenger print document. Let me go to my right view here. Show you how to do this. So to set our margins, we're going to make sure sheet 1 selected. We're going to click the Page Layout tab up at the top. Then in the Page Setup group, which is this one, we're going to click Margins. We can choose, right now we have 3 options. You're going to see 3 options if you've never set your margins. You're going to have normal, wide, and narrow. Let's go to Custom Margin. And our left, we want to set to 1.4. And our right, we want to set to 1.4. We also want to center horizontally. So it'll move to the right just a little bit. And that's all you have to do.